Shown here is an AC690 variable speed drive. This is available in a range of frame sizes and power options. Please see parker.com to help you configure the drive to match your motor. We're going to show you how to fit the speed feedback options, the communication options, and also the system board into this product. Before fitting any option modules to the AC690, please read the safety instructions included in the drive box and also ensure that no power is applied to the product. The first stage of fitting any options is removing the front cover. This is done by removing the two screws on the base of the product and lifting the cover upwards. The communication options are fitted here on the right hand side. They simply snap into place and have an earthing screw which should be secured here on the right hand side. The feedback options are fitted here on the left hand side in the same way, again snapping into place with an earthing screw on the bottom right. With the required option modules fitted, the installation process is complete. The product can now be wired into your application and is ready for commissioning. When commissioning is complete on your application, please ensure the front cover is replaced.